Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to make someone else an admin in WhatsApp group. So let's begin. You want to go to WhatsApp. Let's go to a group that you want to edit. Now we want to tap its name at the very top of the screen. Now we want to scroll down until you see all members of the group, and then you want to tap on the person that you want to make an admin. And then you will see option make group admin. So let's press this, and you will see message on your screen that that member now is admin of this group. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.